Yo, what's going on, guys? This Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, I've got a crazy masterclass for you guys. I'm going to be interviewing the one and only Gil Valerio live on Zoom, where he breaks down how he went from $3,000 per month when he joined Agency Lab all the way to over $500,000 per month in the Chiro niche. So Gil is closing deals from anywhere between $7,000 up front to landing franchise whale clients that pay him over $100,000 a month. And he's going to be revealing everything live on Zoom this Friday. Now, what's even crazier is that he's going to be giving away one-on-one to a lucky winner that shows up live. And what's even crazier than that, there will be no recording. So this is a one-time thing. This is the only time that this is happening. And if you don't make it, you're not gonna watch it. So again, this Friday, 2 to 4 p.m. EST, block it off on your calendar if you want to be there live with Gil Valerio, who is one of our most successful students ever, where he breaks down how he scaled from 3K a month all the way to $500,000 per month in one of the most saturated and competitive niches on the planet. Then what you need to do is comment, notify, and win below this video. Comment, notify, and win below this video, and then our team will reply back to your comment with the Zoom link to join on Friday. So if you want to lock in your spot to attend this live workshop where he breaks down how he scaled his agency all the way to $500K a month and gives away everything, then comment, notify, and win below this video. He's going to break it all down. And on Friday, again, my team will reply back to your comment and send you the Zoom link to the live so you could literally click and join. So again, if you want to be notified when we go live, and you want to lock in your spot, comment, notify, and win below. And again, if you show up live, you're going to be entered to win automatically a one-on-one with Gil. And we also have a crazy surprise at the end. So that's pretty much it. He's going to be sharing how he scaled from 3K to 500K a month. He's going to be breaking down how he lands franchise clients that pay him over $100,000 per month. He's going to be talking about how he closes $7,000 deals upfront, no retainers. He's going to be talking about how he stands out in one of the most saturated and competitive niches on the planet. And he's also going to be talking about how he hired executives to run his entire company so he doesn't really have to show up. So it's going to be insanely valuable. I'm so excited. I haven't done a live workshop for you guys in a while, and I figured why not end the year with a bang and bring one of our most successful students of all time, who was one of the biggest agencies in the local space. So for all of you guys saying that SMMA is dead, well, F you, number one. Number two, you don't know what you're talking about. And number three, come to the live and we'll prove to you that we're still making money in SMMA. So yeah, if you want to show up live, comment, notify, and win below. And yeah, check out this crazy plant background. We're just here at the studio getting some work done. But yeah, I'm excited, guys. It's going to be a really amazing end of the year. 500K a month masterclass. Let's fucking go. Gil Valerio and I will be live for 2 hours. Block it off on your calendar. Comment, notify, and win to lock in your spot. If you don't comment, you're not going to get the Zoom link. And on Friday, my team will reply back, send you the Zoom link, and we'll see you there. So we're excited. It's going to be insane. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, I guess let me know in the comments. But if not, you better fucking be there on Friday if you care about your agency. If you say, oh, I want to make money. Oh, I want to grow my agency. Oh, I'm serious about scaling this. Then be there on Friday and comment, notify, and win below to lock in your spot. Peace.